Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we have an exciting demonstration for you on how to merge protected PDF files using PDF.co and Zapier. It's a powerful combination that allows you to merge PDFs while keeping them secure. For a more detailed step-by-step tutorial, you can find the link in the description box below. Be sure to visit PDF.co for additional information. In this demo, we'll be working with a sample of protected PDF documents. Our goal is to merge these protected PDFs into a single secured PDF file. By doing so, we'll ensure that the merged PDF remains protected and secure, preserving the privacy and integrity of the contents. Let's begin this exciting task of merging and securing the PDFs to create a comprehensive and protected document. Let's start by opening your Zapier account and create a Zap. Next, let's proceed to action step and select the looping by Zapier to allow us to create repeating workflows that can loop through a set of actions multiple times based on specified conditions. Then let's choose the Create Loop from Text option to allow us to iterate a list of URLs for individual purposes. Let's configure the looping settings. First, enter the value name along with the corresponding value data, which will be in the form of URLs. For the other parameters such as delimiter, trim white spaces, and loop iteration, we will keep the default values. Then specify the maximum number of loops you would like to perform. This will determine the number of times the loop iterates over the values. After setting up the configuration, test the action to see the result. The test was successful and received the loop values from Zapier. Now, we can proceed to add another app to the workflow and proceed to remove the PDF security from the PDF documents. This will enable us to easily merge them into a single PDF file. In this step, we will add the PDF.co app and select the Custom API Call option. This will allow us to utilize the PDF.co remove security endpoints to effectively remove the security password of our PDF documents. Now connect your PDF.co account to Zapier by adding the API key. You can obtain the API key from your PDF.co dashboard. Let's set up the configuration. First, enter the endpoint for PDF.co remove security to remove password protection from the PDF documents. Next, select the first URL value from the looping response. Then input the JSON code that contains the password of the document, output name, and async setup. After completing the setup, proceed to test the action to remove the security password from the PDF document. The security password has been successfully removed from the PDF document. Now let's add the PDF.co app once again to continue removing the security from the remaining protected PDF files. Then choose the Custom API Call option. Let's set up the Custom API Call configuration. First, enter the endpoint for the PDF.co remove security to remove password protection from PDF documents. Next, select the second URL value from the looping response. Then input the JSON code that contains the password of the document, output name, and async setup. Now let's proceed with testing the action to remove the security password from the PDF document. We successfully removed the security password from the PDF document. Now, let's proceed by adding the PDF.co app once again to the workflow to remove the security protection from the last remaining PDF document. And choose the Custom API Call option. First, enter the endpoint for the PDF.co remove security to remove password protection from PDF documents. Next, select the third URL value from the looping response. Then input the JSON code that contains the password of the document, output name, and async setup. Once you have completed the setup, you can proceed with testing the action to remove the security password from the PDF document. The security password has been successfully removed from the PDF document, ensuring that it is no longer protected. Now that all the passwords have been successfully removed from the PDF documents, we can proceed to merge them into a single PDF document. In this step, we will add the PDF.co app and select the PDF merger option to combine multiple PDFs into a single PDF document. Let's configure the PDF merger settings. First, input the list of links obtained from the PDF.co remove password responses, which correspond to the PDF documents to be merged. Next, specify the desired output name for the merged PDF file. After setting up the PDF merger configuration, test the action to merge the PDF documents into a single PDF. The multiple PDF documents have been successfully merged into a single PDF file. You can copy the URL provided and paste it into your browser to view the output. Here is the merged PDF document that has been successfully created by merging multiple PDF documents into a single PDF file. Now that the multiple PDF documents have been successfully merged into a single PDF document, we can proceed with adding a security password to ensure the file is protected and secure. In this step, we will add the PDF.co app and choose the custom API call option so we can use the PDF.co add security endpoint. Let's set up the add security configuration. First, enter the PDF.co add a security endpoint to add security password to the PDF document and ensure the file is protected and secured. Next, select the output URL of the PDF.co PDF merger response. Then input the JSON code containing the owner and user password, encryption algorithm, allow print document, allow fill forms, allow modify document, allow content extraction, allow modify annotations, and print quality. After setting up the security and password configuration for the PDF document, you can proceed with testing the action to add security and a password. The security settings and password have been successfully added to the PDF document. You can copy the URL provided and paste it into your browser to confirm that the PDF file now requires a password to access the document. Now, enter your security password to access the PDF document. Here is the protected PDF document that has been successfully secured with a password and security settings added. To discover more about PDF.co and explore its exciting features, be sure to visit our website where you'll find an informative tutorials. You may also visit our YouTube channel, which offer even more insightful videos. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you for watching.